Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to log into Hotmail account on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Click open a web browser, and soon after you do that, type in hotmail.com, or you can also type in outlook.live.com. After you do that, you'll be taken to its official website. If you don't have an account yet, you can start by creating a new account by clicking on Create Free Account. After you do that, you can start by entering email and other information that Microsoft asks you to enter. After you create an account, you can easily log into your account by clicking on the Sign In button from the official website of Microsoft Outlook. After you click on the Sign In button, you'll be taken to a next page where you'll need to enter your credentials in order to log into your account. Start by entering your email, your phone number, or your Skype ID. You can enter any one of them. Let me enter my email address in today's video. After that, click on the Next button. On the next page, you'll need to enter your password that is associated with your Microsoft account. If you want to double check your password before moving on, click on this little eye icon. If you want to stay signed in to this account from this particular device, click on the box that says Keep Me Signed In. In case you don't remember your password, you can easily go click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you're done, click on the Sign In button, and soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your Hotmail or Outlook account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.